All right, this is Principal Cooper, and I get to do the morning announcements with you today and our May Assembly. So thank you for joining this morning. To get us started, we're going to go ahead and do our morning Pledge of Allegiance. So if you will go ahead and stand up. I'm going to get my little flag on here so I can do it with you. There's mine. All right, here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. Go ahead and take a seat. All righty. So this week's tool is the Taking Time tool. There are times in our lives when it is a good idea to take a break and calm down. It's hard to think clearly when we're upset or stressed out. So taking time away helps us to understand how we're feeling and how we can solve our problem. Very, very good tool for right now, because this is a big week for us, Big day, last day. The life skill of the month is a sense of humor. Having a good sense of humor means that you understand that it's important to laugh and have fun sometimes. When life gets tough, you can try to find something silly about a situation so you don't get stuck feeling bad. And always remember our school rules: show respect, make good decisions, and solve problems. So I'm going to go ahead and do our May Assembly now, but to do it, I'm going to share my screen again. All right, give me a thumbs up. People see it? Perfect. All right, here we go. Woo! First off, thank you to all of you. This has been a crazy year for us, and you have all done a tremendous job getting through it. So great job persevering, and keep going. So the first thing we're going to do is look at our Kinder Academy kids, kindergarten and first grades, and see who our superstars of this month are. Mrs. Patterson's class, you're up first. Good job, you two, Hector and Valeria. Woohoo! All right, next up is Mrs. Duranchek's Seesaw Superstars, and this is for May 17th through 21st. Great job, you guys. Next up, Mrs. Segura's Seesaw Superstars, same week. Look at all these great superstars we've got. Well done. All right, Miss Sagayan's class, and this is for completing seesaw assignments and always joining Zoom. Check out all those names. Good job. Mrs. Bracco's class, we're in first grade now. We got our Seesaw Superstars and great attendance. Well done. Mrs. Oxton's class, we got Perseverance. We got Positive Attitudes and Outstanding Work Completion. Woohoo! Well done. Miss Hopkins' class, we have two kids getting called out here. Ari, polite, courteous, perseveres, tries hard, awesome person, and Nathan, creative artist, good listener, great patience, and has a great smile and is awesome. Well done. Now we're moving on to second and third grade. Check out all of Mr. Oliver's All-Stars. Look at that, you guys. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 of you. Well done. Good job. Mrs. Bear's class. Wow. Look, she says she's so proud of these students for working hard all year, for always showing up to Zoom meetings, completing their work, and participating with a positive attitude. Congratulations. Well done. Got 6 people on there. Good job. Mrs. Utrowski's class, so she called out Nigel for completing over 590 seesaw assignments this year. Whew, good job. Mrs. Bergman's class, we got 4 kids here. Brody, Carla, Esmeralda, and Santiago. Taking chances, working hard, participating, and having a positive attitude. Great job. Mrs. Hines' class, looking at people most improved, seesaw superstars, and great attendance. Good job. Mrs. Madigan, superstar. She's got 5 people on here. Good job. Now we're going to go to 4th, 5th, and 6th grade. Uh-oh. We are going to pause for 1 second because my internet just crashed on me, but it will be okay. So 1 second. Well, I got to verify it's me. Let's do it. Does it know it's me now? Oh, it did on that screen. I'm going to stop sharing so you can stare at each other for a sec. Oh, actually, look at that. Ha-ha! Fixed. We persevered. We got through it, guys. All right, 4th, 5th, 6th grade. Miss Everson's 4th graders. We're celebrating. Good job helping classmates, sharing ideas, and working hard to improve your skills. Good job. Mr. Nymark, good job. We got 6 kids here. Following directions, taking education seriously, working hard, having fun. Good job. All right, Mr. Cassie's rock stars. Check out these 6 names. Good job. Great. And then Miss Meehan's class, we got people for their positive attitude and their creativity. Great work. Mrs. Godfrey's distance learning, 5th graders. You got, this section is all more than 2 years growth on the LGL testing. Well done. And then participation in overall DL greatness. Nice. Mrs. Blackmore, students of the year. You got 2 6th graders and a 5th grader. Good job. Congratulations. Miss Wyrock. We're looking today at our B group, special acknowledgement for excellence and improvement in academic and social leadership. Great job. Mr. Berg's class, calling out 4 kids for attendance, completion, improvement, and responsibility. Miss Shoemaker, here's your class. We've got excellent work, coming to office hours, and being supportive of others. Great job. And we also have our recess rock stars. So at school and online, thank you for following school rules, supporting schoolmates, and spreading kindness and positivity. So we got some names on there. 6 people. Good job. Woohoo! Yay! Great job, everyone. And then we've got our SRTA Student of the Year. So this is the Teachers Association votes, and it is Ashley Morales. Great job. And it's time for the Wheel of Wonderful. I will be picking 10 names. Here we go. We're going to click. Everybody's in here from today. I'm going to make this bigger. It's so little. Okay. Here we go. First one up. Dun, 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 dun. Robin. Woohoo! Alright, that was number 1. Next up. Who's it gonna be? Number 2, Santiago. Nice. All right, number 3. Woo! Alexa, good job. You are wonderful. Number 4 is up next. Dun, 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 dun. Jonah. All right, we are at our halfway point, number 5. Yay! And number 6. Number 6, who will it be? Liam Acevedo. All right, Liam, there you go. Number 7. All right, we're moving on to number 8. Zoe. That's number 8. All right, and number 9. Nathan. All right, it is our last one, number 10. Who's it gonna be? Last one. Shayla, there you go. Woohoo! All right, and those prizes are going to be hand delivered today. Mrs. Muldoon is going to take those over to you guys. Good job, everyone. All right, and in case you didn't know, Mrs. Fiera, our reading teacher, is retiring this year. So if you see her or if you want to drop her a note and say congratulations, it's very exciting. And then, as many of you already know, my family is moving to Colorado in a few weeks. So I will not be here in the fall, and I will miss you so much. But I can't wait to hear about all of your adventures next year. I'm going to check in and hear all the greatness you're doing. So I can't wait to hear how you're doing, guys. All right. Summer starts tomorrow, you guys. Ah! Yay! So enjoy it. Have fun. Enjoy your last day in person today. We can see each other. Bye. Bye. I keep forgetting. Popsicles at the end of the day.